Hey everybody, this is Brendan with Business for Chummies. In this short video, we're going to be looking at how you can use ChatGPT for all of your business writing needs. So we'll be looking at three different examples today. We're going to be looking at how you could use ChatGPT for creating job postings for your company. We'll also be looking at how to use ChatGPT to generate marketing content on your website. And then finally, we'll be looking at how to generate just content for communications to other members of your organization. So to kick us off, let's start with a job posting. So let's say we're a company that's hiring a new Java developer. And we need ChatGPT to help us out to create a job posting. I don't want to go scouring the internet looking for templates for Java developer skills. I want to just ask ChatGPT to do that work for me. So in the message box here, I'm going to say, draft a one-page job posting for a full-time Java developer. Simple as that. And I'm going to hit go and let's see what we get here. So ChatGPT is leading us in. Nice. It's providing some placeholders for us to put our company name, the location of the job, even the job title. It's got some about us content that you can populate with your own company information, an overview of the position, key responsibilities that are pretty basic for a Java developer position. So it's scoured the internet, looked at other top Java developer positions and postings that are out there and pulled in some content that's probably very accurate. And then finally, some qualifications. You may have some very specific qualifications that you're looking for, and you can update the list here. Benefits obviously pertain to your company. You'd want to make some updates there. How to apply, and then finally the application deadline. So a really great start here. 30 seconds, 60 seconds to develop a draft job posting for a full-time Java developer. I can then just swipe this, drop it into my job board, or post it onto a Microsoft Word document, however you're going to use this information. All right, next let's look at generating some website content. So let's say we've got a new mobile app that we're going to be releasing, and we want ChatGPT here to write some content for the website describing our new app. So I'm going to say draft website marketing content for a new mobile app. And maybe I want to give it some features that I'd like it to highlight. So I'll say with the following features. And I'm going to do a shift enter or shift return to get on the next line. And I'll just say I want our mobile app. Let's say it's a new workout app, a new fitness app. And some of the features we'll want is to create and save workout routines, it to the track workout progress, routine progress during the workout. And finally, we'll want it to do, let's say, track our heart rate, cumulative calorie burn, and total exercise time. All right, so we're saying, please draft some marketing content for our new mobile app, and we want to make sure that these three features are included in that content. Let's hit go. Thinking, thinking, thinking. All right, we've got some content here. Nice intro into the app itself, the app name, some marketing spiel, getting people excited about it. Oh, here's our key features here, creating and saving workout routines, tracking progress in real time, and monitoring vital stats. Very nice. Some other convenient information about why you should choose our new app that you can update and adjust to meet your needs. And then a call to action here, get started, download the app, and really great first pass here for your marketing content. Finally, let's take a look how ChatGPT can help us with human-to-human communications. Not everybody's a writer, and sometimes it helps to utilize these AI tools to draft some fun and helpful, informative information that we need to send to other people. In this example, let's say our company has the annual sexual harassment and ethics training that staff need to be taking, and we want to send out a friendly email reminder to let them know to take those courses. But instead of just drafting a basic email, let's ask ChatGPT to inject some humor into our messaging. Let's see if this cold machine can be funny. All right, so let's say draft a humorous employee memo reminding staff to complete their annual sexual harassment and ethics training courses. All right, let's see what we get. All right, we've got a nice subject here, kicking it off nice. Annual unawkward training reminder with some emojis. Hey there, fabulous team. It's that time of year again. That awkward is a word associated with the workplace. Some sarcasm here about how people have been eagerly awaiting their annual release. Looking pretty good. All right. I do like that it's calling out the trainings individually. It gives me some placeholders for the training launch dates and the deadlines, and then some steps on how to access the training that I can update, including links to the training portal or the wherever those training modules are stored. Oh, even an incentives and prizes section. That's nice. First person to complete the training. If you complete it on time, you'll get that top ethical employee certificate. Very nice. And then finally, some salutations and some hearty jokes at the end related to cat videos. So pretty good. I think if you needed to, you could make some adjustments, add some of your own humor into it, but definitely a great start. And so this is just the beginning. If you have any type of writing that you need to be doing for your business, ChatGPT is an excellent tool. I highly recommend you check it out. I'll provide a link in the description. This tool is absolutely free. You can upgrade to a pro version if you want even more power behind your writing. But otherwise, this is an absolutely free tool you can use to integrate AI into your business writing. I hope you learned something and had some fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Business for Chummies for more great videos every week.